Well, here I am in a gas station. I had to turn off the freeway. It's coming down so hard. I've got water leaking down my leg. And I couldn't see a thing.
I like your ride.
Thank you so much.
2000.
You got a 2000?
Yeah, and it's, I wouldn't take a farm in Texas for it. It gets about 38 miles per gallon.
Well, that's
Fast.
good.
It's fast.
Is it fast?
Yes,
This one is not
Well, these are a
fast.
little slower, the older ones.
Oh yeah, the older ones are slower. Because I had to
You
get
don't
off
live
the
around
road. You can't see a
You don't
thing
live
out
around
there.
here, do you?
No,
I
sir.
hadn't seen it. I just remember.
No, I live in, oh my God, I'm glad I got off the road when I did. Look at that.
Yeah. No, I like it. I like the color.
Thank you.
What is it, about 64?
No, it's a 72.
Man,
72.
I know they come out with a big tail light and leather and
Yeah, the 72s have the vents all the way across.
I got a big old four-wheel drive Jeep, but I've got a Suzuki.
Uh-huh.
It's called an X90 Sport, and it's only got one seat. Two people can get in it. And it gets about 42 miles per gallon. It's the cutest little thing you ever seen.
Oh, cute.
And everybody's always trying to buy it. They only make 500 of it.
Wow, then you
Yeah.
better hold on to it.
They're rare, real big bus, but I don't know. I enjoy driving it. You know, nice talking to you.
Yeah, have a good one.
Your trunk lit up with the heat.
Oh, yeah, yeah, because I had an AC put in.
Yeah, I don't know. The engine compartment under the lid's up about that far.
Yeah,
And people do that to let the heat out.
yeah, and because I put an AC unit in, so
Yeah.
it's longer than the trunk usually is, yeah.
What a heater in these things ain't worth a flip, are they, in the winter?
Yeah,
I don't know if they still have the manifold heaters or not.
yeah,
They don't have no water in them, you know.
exactly.
I love that color. I'm 80 years old. I like anything.
There you go. Bye, have a good one. And so that's what happens. You get off and all the guys want to tell you their VW stories, you know, the older guys. So anyway, it's coming down so strong out there, you literally cannot see. So I have pulled off. I'm going to have to Rain-X my windows yet again because it's just, it's so bad out there, it's not helping. And when it gets to the point when a truck passes you and you've got total whiteout, you cannot see anything, that's the time it's get off the road and let this storm pass. My God, it's just, it's really coming down hard, so I may be here for quite a while today. I should have stayed at the hotel maybe. At the hotel they had a big lightning strike and something went out, so yeah, it's a bit crazy today. But anyway, so I'm gonna stay off the road. Gonna open up the trunk and see what happened, why I'm getting water dripping down my leg. Hopefully everything is not soaked in there. And this morning I had a passenger. There was a stick, those stick bugs on my car. So I moved him off the car and hit the road. But yeah, I think I'm going to go in and see what they have for coffee. Talk to you guys later. Bye.